तो आ जाओ यार, ज्यादा टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करते। 3, 2, 1, लेट्स गो। So it's time now to reveal my supercar, my dream car. Let's go guys. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Woo! Oh my! Whoa.
Actually, we were totally surprised because from the start, he never told us for what he is getting us over here. So we were astonished after we reaching over here and then seeing such a big event. Like he is unboxing the lamp.
भाई ये लोगों क्या प्यारा है ब्रो। गाइस आवाज सुनो।
Oh God! When the sound came from that Lambo, I was just watching Jonathan's face. Oh my God! He was very happy, and I said, his dream car is come. And when it will go to his building, all the building people will say, "Oh my God, such a lovely car." And I'm so proud of my son that he has come from small to such a beautiful car.
First time he revved the car, we were so shocked, like with the noise. The noise was so immense it was. What is it? Inside us, we were getting the beat inside us of the Lambo. And then after that, once he took a round, you could see the smile on his face because his dreams were fulfilled.
फाइनली आज मैंने वो अकम्प्लिश कर लिया। एंड यार यही बोलूँगा कि यार गाइस, ये चीज़ इसलिए पॉसिबल हुई क्योंकि आप लोग ने ये सब चीज़ किया, इसलिए यही हर बार जैसे मैं बोलता हूँ कि आप लोग हो इसलिए मैं हूँ, वरना आई एम जस्ट नथिंग। सो ये चीज़ पॉसिबल हुई आप लोग की वजह से। सो थैंक यू सो मच गाइस, ईच वन ऑफ यू, जिन्होंने भी लाइक यू नो मेरा इस जर्नी पे साथ दिया। बहुत अप एंड डाउन हुए, बट एक चीज़ कांस्टेंट थी जो कि है आप लोग का प्यार। सो आई विल नेवर फॉरगेट दैट। एंड फाइनली गाइस, वी हैव अ ड्रीम कार।
Well, he has never, battled it out verbally. He has always said that, he'll change it by himself. So, there were times when he was like he wanted to do something better, but situations did, he had to wait for the situations and all. And there are times when it has already come. So, Lambo ka bhi time aa. He was very happy and he was very excited. He was waiting for this day to come.
So don't forget guys, dreams do come true. And हाँ, end में make sure to
Like,
share,
subscribe.
ठोको भी subscribe, ठोको, let's go.